It has been 16 minutes here, and we have finished the Whitebite. So just walk you through the process. Okay, so what you do is you take and you use the paint pen. Okay, you're going to take and the teeth whitening gel paint pen. You're going to paint your teeth. You're going to put this on, press the button, 16 minutes, and it's going to go. I do not know what to do next. Rinse your mouth in oral tray with water. Use the color guide to see. So pause real quick, and we're going to go do what we're supposed to do, and I'll be right back. All right, just did a quick rinse, and I'm going to get my handy dandy helper back to see if I've turned into a 1, because you don't want to be a 10 in this one. You only want to be a 1. So she said I was roughly like a 6, 7. So I'm hoping that we've updated.
Oh. Yeah, I would say maybe like a 4 or 5.
Ah, 2 shades, knocking them off. Is that top and bottom?
Oh, I didn't even go
Can you
to
see
bottom.
top and bottom?
Yeah, I would definitely say like the 5.
Oh.
4 or 5?
Wider and brighter. Let's go. So this is the Whitebite Pro. I'm super excited, and I don't know how often you use it. Just definitely read the directions, see what you're working with here. It does do fully charged in 2 hours, approximately 10 usage is out of it. So that's important. And then it does auto shut off after 16 minutes. So there's not a whole lot of stuff you have to do with this other than put the goop on and go from there. If you do have sensitive teeth, you have a desensitizing gel pen, so you can use this as well. I think it's like 15 minutes. You want to pop this on and work it as well. Guys, this is the Whitebite Pro. Definitely do what we always do and check it out.